What's up, YouTube and the ABC fam in the world? You know, this is your boy T. I know I haven't hollered at y'all for a minute, but I've been busy, man. Been busy making this money. I just wanted to give y'all a little update. Your boy just finished his first dry cleaning job. And it was cool. It was hot, but, kind of a small area that I had to work in, you know what I'm saying? It's a trip, you know what I'm saying? When you watch the video and, at an ABC boot camp, you watch Mike, and when Mike be doing his thing, he has a little room to work with, you know what I'm saying? But, when you find yourself trying to do the same thing, saying, oh man, I can do that, shoot, that's cool. Then come to find out it's a situation that you in a tight situation where, you got to move washers and dryers and everything to get to the hose so you can go ahead and hook it up and, get the job done. But anyway, it was cool. It was a nice, good experience for me, I was a little nervous because it was the first time I ever did it at, somebody, at a resident's house. But, your boy was able to get it done. It was a quick $100. You know what I'm saying? I think it took me about, 45 minutes to an hour for me to do it. So, that's $100 an hour. So I'm happy. You know what I mean? So, yeah, I just want y'all to know, man, that, the ABC boot camp, with Mike Sneed, man, hey, I give you all the props, brother, for breaking this down for me. I mean, you basically changed my life, man. I've always wanted to have my own business. I dibbled and dabbled in this and that, but nobody was able to break it down like you break it down, not just the appliance repair part, the technical part, but the business part. I want people to understand that, when you know how to run a business correctly, where you're actually profitable, you're not sitting here wondering, oh man, am I going to be able to feed my family? When you're able to, be able to, make your money and put your money in and allocate your money to the different accounts that Mike talk about, man, I'm telling you, there's no place that you can go to as far as I've experienced at appliance boot camp where you got dryer vent cleaning, appliance repair, garage door repair business, blender business, and you make more money once you do the sealed systems and learn how to do sealed systems. And then he shows you how to market the business, shows you how to put your money where it's supposed to, how to allocate your funds so you won't be broke. Tells you how much to charge. I mean, he breaks everything down. It's so strange when, I'm sitting there listening to the live calls or the people, some people in boot camp, Facebook group, when they tripping about, man, I don't know, and, it doesn't work. I done had, comments saying, hey, to me, in my descriptions, hey, man, how does it work? Does it work? Are you making money? Yeah, I'm making money. Don't get me wrong. You got to put your work in, though. This business ain't for some lazy person. You got to put in your work. You got to want it. You know what I'm saying? You got to want this. That means you going to study, study them schematics, study the theory of these appliances, you know what I'm saying? And you also got to learn the business, learn how to run a business. You know, you got to learn all of this stuff. So you got to put time in. And that's what your boy been doing. I've been putting time in, man. I'm noticing that I'm starting to understand things a lot better. I'm better at reading schematics. You know what I'm saying? Because I ran into situations where I go to a dryer, you know what I'm saying? I'm thinking I'm going to check this out. You know, the dryer, the drum's running, but, you know, it's a gas dryer and it's not igniting. So I'm like, first thing I think of, oh man, it's the igniter, you know. Didn't do my homework, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, I look in there, oh, it's the igniter, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to go ahead and this will be an easy one. So, you know, I told him it was the igniter. Come find out, I get the igniter, put the igniter in, it still ain't working. Uh-oh, what I got to do now? Okay, now I got to really do the thing, go get the service manual, get the tech sheets, you know what I'm saying? Check out the schematics, go through the testing, diagnostics testings on the circuit board. You know, I had to do everything, you know what I'm saying? And then I had to test the parts. Boom, thermal fuse. I'm like, oh man. So now I got to order a thermal fuse. But that was because I didn't do my homework. You know what I'm saying? I guessed. When I should have just went on ahead and checked the things that I knew that was in the heating circuit, that was on the schematic, that was on the service manual. You know, these are things that you guys got to understand, man. When you get in this, man, study, learn how to read schematics, go through the diagnostics process, learn the theory. How does a dishwasher work? How does a dryer work? How does a washer work? How does a range, gas range, electric range work? You got to know all of these things, man, so that when you go there, you can properly diagnose, okay, what's going on with the people's unit, with their appliance. So, you know, I just wanted to, you know, let y'all know that, hey, your boy, you know, I'm trying to be a star out here, you know. I'm trying to build the company on my name, you know what I'm saying? So I got to be out there doing what I need to do. That's being a good technician and a good businessman. Also, too, man, I had to let the warranty company go. Because, hey, you know, I felt like they ain't have my back when I needed them to. You know, they was coming at me. And then I had to basically prove to them that, hey, I did everything I was supposed to do. You see what I'm saying? But just having that experience let me know that, hey, bro, you ain't this your business. This is a business thing. This ain't personal. If you don't want to do business with them, you don't have to do business with them. Same thing with clients, with customers. Had a situation with a customer. He felt like, I guess, you know, I wasn't adequate enough at diagnosing when I told him that, you know, it was a door switch. And, you know, nowadays it's pandemic. It's hard getting parts nowadays. So, you know, I try to tell them that, hey, man, your part's on back order. You know, the distributors and the manufacturers, they don't have it right now. We can't get the parts. Well, he didn't want to wait. He wanted to be impatient, want to talk crazy to me, want to talk crazy about the company, saying that if we knew what we were doing, if we weren't being foolish trying to blame stuff on the pandemic and be able to ask and look at other vendors, you should be able to get the part. You know, it's you guys are being incompetent. Okay. All right, buddy, check this out. This is what we're gonna do. The business decided, the owners decided that they gonna give you a full refund, okay? Now you got your full refund. It's gonna be in the mail within 14 business days. We had to wipe our hands with them. We didn't have to do business with that dude. Then when we told him that, he gonna text us back. Oh, well, what about my appliance? How's it gonna get fixed? I don't know what to tell you, because we gave you a full refund. We pretty much washed our hands with you. You see what I'm saying? So, yeah, you got to be able to understand that, hey, this your business. You run the business the way you want to run the business. You don't have to put up with foolishness if you don't want to put up with foolishness. All you got to do is just say, hey, okay, cool. I'll give you a refund. I ain't got to, do business with you. There's so much business out here, y'all. You ain't got to put up with no mess. So, I didn't want to make this long, but I just wanted to let y'all know, man, ABC is the truth. Mike Sneed is the truth. ABC fam is the truth. And if y'all don't know, now you know, baby.